Welcome again. This is Humayun from Taj Education System. Today I want to prove that all of you are intelligent. Every single one of you is intelligent in his own ways. Some of you are not sure, but I will prove scientifically that all of you are intelligent in your own ways. It is called theory of multiple intelligence. It is the research of Howard Gardner. He divides intelligence in 9 different categories. It's not possible to explain all type of intelligence in one video, but I would like to share the name of these type of intelligence. First one is naturalist. Second is musical intelligence. Third is logical mathematical, existential, interpersonal, bodily, kinesthetic, linguistic, interpersonal, and spatial. But only 2 types of intelligence are being part of our curriculum. Right now we will discuss a few types of intelligence which are not being part of our curriculum. First one is naturalist. The people who understand nature and the world around them. Like Galileo, he look up in the stars and says, these constellations are here. The sun is the center of the universe, not the earth. They come up with such sort of things. Those sort of peoples were naturalists, and it's a type of intelligence. We will talk about the second type of intelligence, and that type is musical intelligence. All of you know A.R. Rahman, an Indian musician, how much he charged for the tune of Commonwealth Games. 5 billion rupees. You know what he said? He said, it's my own country, so I am giving the discount in price. Most of the journalists asked him, sir, how you compose such blockbuster tunes? He said, I just sleep with that tune. I wake up in the morning, these tunes emerge in my mind, I go and record it. It's very hard to acquire it because it's inborn trait. So it's also type of intelligence. Right now we will talk about the logical mathematical. Good with numbers, good with logics, good with critical thinking, such sort of things. And our science goes in logical mathematics. And all other subjects, literature, linguistic, they goes in linguistics. So our education system is just emphasizing on these 2 type of intelligence. First one is logical mathematics and linguistics. And our third type of intelligence is interpersonal intelligence. These people have only one type of intelligence. They are very good at other people. So such sort of people become the CEO of the companies because they have inculcated interpersonal skills in their own. So they are very good at other people's. So they get better opportunities in their career. So all those people who have gotten better percentages, they always grumble that they fool around their time. They were not serious about their studies. They did not put any sort of effort in their studies. But right now they are CEO of the companies. On the other hand, we are their subordinates. There was the only one difference. They have interpersonal skills, and all those people who are their subordinates, they did not inculcate this ability in their own. If you want to compete such sort of peoples, then definitely you will have to inculcate interpersonal skills in your own. So those sort of people who have interpersonal skills, they remain very successful in their professional lives. What is business all about? What is politics all about? It's all about people. So they have only one ability, that they are very good at people, so that they remain successful in their professional lives. On the other hand, all those people who do not inculcate this ability in their own, who do not inculcate this intelligence in their own, they cannot get the better positions of management. So it's the most important thing, and we should acquire these sort of intelligence in our own if we want to spend a successful professional life, because these are the most important things if you want to succeed in your professional life. all the students have the same ambience, same books, same curriculum, same teachers, same institution, but the trajectory of life would be quite different, because our education system is emphasizing on two types of intelligence: logical and mathematical, and linguistics. On the other hand, if you want to spend successful professional life, then definitely you will have to acquire other 7 type of intelligence. Then you will be able to succeed in your professional life. So we will have to inculcate, we will have to acquire these sort of intelligence by our own self. So if we will be able to inculcate these abilities, these type of intelligence in our own, I am pretty sure that we will remain very successful in our professional lives. All those people who are facing different sort of professional problems, who are facing different sort of social problems, the basic reason is that they did not inculcate these type of intelligence in their own. Most of the people are bookworm. They are just concerned about their studies. They do not want to meet with the people. They do not want to mingle with the society. So they remain weak in the social relationing. They remain weak in interpersonal relationship, and so their probability of success reduce just because of their introverted type of personality. You definitely fit somewhere in this chart of intelligence. So try to find out your area of force. Try to find out your inner software. If you will find that software, try to find it, try to sharpen it, try to strengthen it, try to nurture it. Definitely, if you will try to recognize your type of intelligence, if you will work on that type of intelligence, definitely you will remain very successful in your professional life. But it's a dire need to pass through the process of self-actualization. If you will pass through the process of self-actualization, you will meditate that which sort of intelligence I have. If you will try to hone it, then definitely you will make your own ways and you will remain very successful in your professional life. Because Albert Einstein says, everybody is genius, but if you will judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will spend its whole life in believing that it is stupid. So try to understand your area of force, try to understand your category of intelligence in which you are lying. If you will recognize that type of intelligence that you have, then definitely you will try to hone it, definitely you will work on it, and in this regard you will remain very successful in your professional life. These are the 9 types of intelligence. I hope if you will try to study these types of intelligence and you will try to inculcate, you will remain very successful in your professional lives, because these 7 types of intelligence are not being part of our curriculum. You will have to take the responsibility of these 7 types of intelligence. If you will inculcate, then definitely you will remain very successful in your professional life. It's a request to all those people who are watching this video that subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon in order to get my latest videos. Thank you.